how to delete or unsave pins on Pinterest. Hello and welcome to Tech TV. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can delete or unsave pins on Pinterest. Begin by opening your Pinterest application on your mobile device and navigate to the home page. Look for the human icon at the bottom of the screen and click on it to access your profile. Within the space, you will find the saved pins. Choose the pin you want to delete and you will notice a set of options appearing. Slide your finger to that pencil icon and you will see delete this pin option within this. Click on it and a confirmation prompt will appear. Confirm the deletion by clicking on delete and you have successfully removed the pin from your saved Pinterest collection. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.